Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Xfinity error code RDK-03033 can't connect, check Coax and restart. Fix 1. Check for service outages. Before troubleshooting your equipment, ensure there are no known service interruptions in your area. Visit the Xfinity Status Center or use the Xfinity app to verify local outages. Fix 2. Power cycle your TV box. Unplug the TV box's power cord from the electrical outlet or the back of the box and wait for about 60 seconds. Then plug it back in and allow it a full 5 minutes to fully reboot. Fix 3. Inspect and secure cables. Loose cables are the leading cause of RDK-03033 error. So firmly unscrew and retighten the coaxial cable from the wall outlet and the back of your cable box. Then disconnect and reconnect the HDMI cables to ensure a secure video signal. Fix 4. Perform a system refresh. Open the Xfinity app on your mobile device, then navigate to the Account tab and select your TV box. In it, choose the Restart or System Refresh option. Fix 5. Perform a factory reset, if persistent. If the error continually drops your live TV, a factory reset might be needed to apply necessary firmware updates and clear software glitches. You can do this by navigating to the device's settings menu on your X1 box. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.